Hi, how are you? Today we're going to learn how to use a simple breadboard, why we use it, what is basically a breadboard, and how we could use it in our projects. I'll start with what is a breadboard. A breadboard is simply a simple board that is used to build prototypes electronics without the need of any kind of soldering. We use several type of electronics in our daily projects that we do in electronics using Arduino, or it could be any kind of computing device or even robotics. We use breadboards for initial prototype where we don't find the need for soldering. Secondly, types of breadboard. There could be several types of breadboard, but usually the main concept is the same. We have small breadboards, medium size that we usually use in our projects, and then there are uh, larger ones. So before we dive into how a breadboard works, we should know how electricity works. Electricity works on the basis of simple thing known as a conductor. Electricity flows through a conductor when we have a positive terminal and a negative terminal, and it is connected through a conductor. Electricity starts flowing. In simple words, the positive and negative terminals should be connected all together. Now I'll get into the main stuff that you're here for, breadboard, and how to use it. Simply, as we already know, a breadboard. We let me show it to you again. This is a simple breadboard, and this is the simple diagram of the breadboard. If you see here, there will be numbers here that will be written like this, and there will also be EBC letters that will be written right across here, and you will see positive and negative terminal marks. It depends upon what, if you want to make it positive or negative, it depends on you. Later on we'll see how we utilize this. So simply, a breadboard consists of rows and columns. The top section and in the bottom section, all the rows are connected, while the middle section has some of its initial columns connected, and so on and so forth. I'll go into it now a bit deep into it. If you could see here, we have a complete row. This entire row is connected. If I put a simple positive terminal onto this block, then this entire line will become positively charged, and I could get positive electricity flowing through anything if I put it right inside any of these holes, right? The next line works similarly. The entire line is connected, and if I put any kind of positive or negative terminal in this blocks, in these dots, any single one of these, the entire row will be positively charged. Same goes in the bottom section as well. If I put any kind of charge, a positive or negative charge in this entire row, it the in any particular whole of this entire row, the entire row will be negatively or positively charged respectively. Same goes with the last one. This is a simple concept if you want to use it. Later on, it depends upon the creativity you use, how you want to work with it, and so on. Lastly, we have simple columns in the middle section. As you can see, there are two middle sections, one the upper one, and then there is the lower one. Um, you'll find it like this. There will be a gap in between. This is mainly so we could put our structures, our electronics in between them. They are connected easily. In simple ways, this entire column is connected with each other. They, this, these or these columns are interconnected. Every five columns are connected with each other. All the columns all the holes in these columns are connected with each other. Same goes for the next one, same for the next one, same for the next one, next one, and it goes on and on. But remember that they are not connected sideways. They are not connected sideways. Only the upper and the lowermost rails are connected sideways. The rest are not. Columns have 5 holes each, and all the holes are connected with each other. If I put something like a positive circuit right here, positive charge here, this entire column will have positive charge. Same goes for this one, same goes for this one, and so on. But if I put a positive charge here, this column will not have positive charge. This one will not, this one will not, and so on and so forth. You only get a hang of it when you start working on it. Same goes for the bottom one as well. We simply use it in the same way to get as much as connections as possible, as you can already see in a picture shown before. This is how a simple breadboard works. Hope you get it. See you in the next video.